This is the all-electric BMW i4 M50. I'm Darren, and welcome to our All Access vlog. .544 horsepower, electric all-wheel drive system, launch control. This is the BMW i4 M50. Our client had just purchased his car to begin the vehicle protection program, consisting of our elements detailing, a custom installation of ClearGuide Alpha paint protection film, and our flagship high-performance tint Spectra PhotoSync IRD. Our elements detailing program is designed specifically for brand new cars, covering all the basics to get your car quickly on the road. It addresses all the typical imperfections associated with a new car. This particular unit came with the black sapphire paintwork. We began with a multi-stage paintwork correction process to eliminate the swirls, scratches, and holograms after pre-delivery inspection. Our philosophy on paint correction prioritizes a meticulous, least abrasive approach. This ensures the most precise removal of imperfections, minimizing the impact on your vehicle's delicate clear coat. Unlike conventional methods that rely on harsh abrasives for a quick fix, our approach is preventative, safeguarding the long-term health and brilliance of your paintwork. Once the paintwork correction process is completed, our advanced hybrid ceramic coating system is then applied. Utilizing infrared lamps, this innovative technology cures in sequential layers, bonding with the paintwork through each application. The result? A depth of gloss and brilliance that transcends the ordinary, leaving your car bathed in a showroom shine. The transformation extends to the 20-inch BMW individual 862 wheels, which are meticulously detailed and protected with our advanced hybrid ceramic coating system. This invisible shield repels brake dust and road grime, ensuring a pristine appearance that endures. This means effortless future washes, allowing you to spend less time maintaining and more time enjoying the thrill of the drive. For the interiors, we began with dry steam cleaning, a gentle yet effective method that prepares the surface for optimal absorption. Next, our dual leather feed system is applied, infusing the Vernasco leather with an essential conditioner. This process not only hydrates but also protects against fading and cracking, ensuring your interior's optimal appearance. To complete the transformation, all interior components receive a UV protection shield, safeguarding them from the harsh tropical sun. Peace of mind arrives with the custom installation of ClearGuide Alpha, the world's most advanced paint protection film. This revolutionary system boasts a self-healing marvel, a carbon-based plasma-powered technology that repairs minor scratches on contact with oxygen, eliminating the need for cumbersome heat gun. ClearGuide Alpha amplifies your car's factory clear coat protection by up to 400%. This invisible shield translates to a lasting, showroom shine, ensuring your prized possession remains a head-turner for years to come, along with a virtually seamless finish without exposed edges. This car was then completed with Spectra PhotoSync IRD, the world's leading heat rejection tint. This innovative high-performance tint that's made in the USA delivers unparalleled comfort for up to 81% TSER, exceptional clarity, and a lifetime warranty, ensuring a cooler, safer, and a better-looking ride for years to come. If you've got a brand new car that needs some protection, give us a call. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Till next time, goodbye.